This is the future of farming, and it's incredible. Dutch scientists are growing crops mid-air with magnets. No soil, no pots, just pure floating agriculture. This new method is called magnetoponics. Yes, it's a real word. The magnets are attached to the underside of the leaves, and they keep the plants upright. This also makes the plants grow faster and bigger than traditional farming methods. The plants are grown in a nutrient-rich water solution, and the roots absorb the nutrients they need to grow. This method is perfect for growing leafy greens such as lettuce and kale, because those plants are the ones that are usually in short supply. And it's a combination of two words. Magneto, from the Greek word for magnate, and hydroponics, which is the science of growing plants without soil and nutrients. In this method, the plant's roots are suspended in the air, and they are being held in place by It could even help to reduce food waste, since the crops can be grown near. For example, the plants are more susceptible to pests and diseases because they're not growing in soil. But the scientists say that they've found ways to mitigate these problems. Overall, though, this is an exciting development for the future of farming. Plus, it's easier to harvest the crops when they're all in one place. This innovation came about because of the war in Ukraine, because Russia is a major exporter of fertilizers, and the war has caused fertilizer prices to skyrocket. That's why Dutch scientists have found an alternative way to grow plants without using any soil or fertilizer. They've been able to grow tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and other crops using this method, and the plants are said to be tastier and more nutritious than conventionally grown produce. This new farming method is not only more sustainable, but it also takes up less space and water than traditional farming. Of course, there are also some challenges associated with this method. What do you think of this new farming method? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about sustainable agriculture, check out the World Economic Forum's video on the vertical farming revolution. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.